In 2014, Indonesia's capital, Jakarta, launched its Smart City project to become a low-carbon, intelligent modern city. In 2017, Delta started to install 21,000 smart streetlights in East Jakarta, which are now the most sensible improvement to all citizens. Delta's smart streetlight solution provides bright LED lighting and at least 48% electricity savings versus traditional HPS lamps and 70% versus mercury lamps. It also transforms streetlights into information nodes for the city. In addition to lighting, useful extensions such as air quality sensing, temperature sensing, information display, water level sensing, EV charging, as well as surveillance are also available if required. The wireless networking capability allows the dense streetlights installation in the city to be woven into a communication network. Our platform monitors and controls every streetlight for energy consumption, brightness, and maintenance needs. It can also be seamlessly integrated with other smart city systems. Our solution provides Jakarta's citizens with the best possible lighting quality, while improving the safety of some dark areas.
Sebelum lampu dipasang LED, saya keluar malam rada takut karena gelap. Setelah dipasang lampu LED, saya keluar malam lebih nyaman, lebih terang karena saya suka bersepeda tiap malam sama anak-anak. Pelayanan pemerintah Jakarta untuk penerangan bagus, untuk saat ini memuaskan. Terima kasih pemerintah DKI Jakarta.
Sebelum dipasang lampu LED ini, saya merasa gelap dan merasa takut apabila pulang malam. Senanglah adanya lampu LED ini, mereka merasa suasananya lebih terang.
Delta's Smart Streetlight Solution, enabling smart, safe, and sustainable cities for a better tomorrow.